Hey there! Today I'm going to show you 5 of my favorite plugins. They are free to use, no need to subscribe or pay or whatever. So, Magic Cut to cut the pictures, Unsplash for free stock pictures, HTML to design to convert the website in Figma file, Feather icons to take for free the icons in vector, and Draw Corner to connect your frames for the flow. Right click on your mouse, Plugins, find more plugins. The first one will be Draw Corner. Run Draw Corner. You need to have already the frames. Choose your frames. It will draw the corner, the connection to your frames. And when you move the frame, it will move along with it. Done. The second will be the icons. Feather icons. Click to run. Upload it. Choose what you want. Let's say music. Click. It's already on your file. Choose it. We will resize. Clip to keep the proportions and put, for example, 100. Enter. And also you will change the color. For example, red. Nice. Next one is HTML to design. Click run. Choose the website that you want to put on your Figma file. It will be my website. Put the link, import, and waiting. Done. It's already in our Figma file. We will see the website is the same. It's working perfectly. Next one. Plugins, find more. Unsplash is the free stock pictures. No need to pay, no need to subscribe. Choose the topic, type the keyword, whatever you want. Let's say food. Choose any picture, click on it. It's coming to your file. Done. And the last one for today, to remove the background. Nice plugin. Choose the picture, right click, plugins, find more, Magic Cut, run. Waiting. Now I don't touch anything. The program is already working. Done. When the picture is really contrast, it works perfectly, no need to modify anything else. But if you need to modify, you have here the green color, the red color, and to resize your head, I don't know. Take, for example, red color, green color, and you put back any object. Choose the red one, go again, remove. For example, here only one dot, and you see all the ice cream is almost to remove the head. To give back, go to green. Let's say we will take a small one, and you see I put a little bit. It's so thin, but it's so strong in work. It's just crazy. Only this dot that I put by myself is still not visible, so I make bigger size, and we put back the ice cream. Done. Press OK, and again waiting, don't click anything. Done. Also you can crop the picture from the top and resize it. Enter. Done. So right click, plugins, find more, Magic Cut to cut the pictures, Unsplash for free stock pictures, HTML to design to convert the website in Figma file, Feather icons to take for free the icons in vector, and Draw Corner to connect your frames for the flow.